Okay, I haven't found my squad yet, but General Hoffman told me to stay here. He said that he has my squad and he's pulling in. He said they'll be there in a few days. But he told me to hang out here because there's supposed to be, there's supposed to be a convoy coming in very soon. So I'm going to stay here. Oh my god, hey, what's that alarm? What the? I hear one. Shoot. Can you change? Go. Crap, thanks. I gotta fall back. I don't give a crap. Gerald's over. Yeah. Okay, I got drawn with the camera. I'll transmit as soon as I get to a safe. Well, I've been hanging out here for a while. I'm guessing somebody lives here. I've got most of my guns, shotguns, a lot of stuff in here. There's a lot of toys in here, so I'm guessing this little boy lives here. Well, I'll transmit as soon as I am finding new stuff in my squad. Yeah. Turn off.